you doing? Robzrandomstuff. Today we're going to transform these mirrors, make them look a little sportier. Subaru decided only to give carbon mirrors to basically nobody. So in any case, we're going to open up the box. It's from Gocarbon. From what I read, they're a pretty good company. They got pretty good quality. I got these off Amazon just for the free shipping. Let's see. Sorry. Here's your directions. Looks pretty straightforward. Let's see what these things look like. Oh boy. 5 horsepower each, so that's 10 horsepower. That's nice of them. Wow. These things literally weigh nothing, so I guess that's what carbon is. Let's see if we can do this with one hand here. Sorry. Ooh. Well, first glance, pretty sick. Looks like it's real carbon. Carbon weave. All right, let's see. This is going to be the other side. Let's just do a dry fit, just to see how we're looking here. Before. Wow. Huge difference, and that's not even secured on. Looks like it's going to be a good fit, even with the tape there. Not much of a gap. I'm sure once we tape this, just clicked it in, even better. So, oh man, these are going to be pretty nice. I like it a lot. This thing looks sick on a black car. All right, so basically the first thing we're going to do, clean this off, especially if you wax your mirrors, rubbing alcohol, clay bar, whatever, all the above, clean. If you want this tape to stick, otherwise, bye-bye. So, all right, I'm gonna clean these off with alcohol. I don't really think I need to show you that part. Just a soft terry cloth will do the job, and rub. So, all right, we'll get it all set up, and we'll show you how we're gonna peel the tape back like the directions say, and don't forget, like, subscribe. We'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, that was very easy. Just did exactly like it is on the directions. You can see that's looking pretty good. Looks really good. I gotta tell you, the fitment, perfect. Pretty good. I'm digging it. Hopefully you can see the whole car. Probably not, but all right. Well, this is Gocarbon. It's very good. It's off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below if you want to do a little research, maybe order yourself up one. Don't forget, horsepower stickers. It's a deal you cannot turn down. All right, one last look. Hard to see, it's a little bad light out here, but looking super nice, especially on black. It's not doesn't stick out like a sore thumb, so I like that. Looks good, and with that little bit of tape that was in there, this thing is literally not going anywhere. The tape is super strong, and I'll bet tomorrow when it's sitting in the sun for a little bit that it's really gonna bond itself. Again, just make sure you clean with alcohol very thoroughly. And your dam's looking pretty hollow, as usual. All right, in any case, messing around here, like, subscribe, tell your friends, turn on those notifications. We'll see you on the next upgrade. And don't forget, first drive is coming soon. Just about to cross the 1,000-mile mark, so you can drive it like it should be driven, pretty much. So, all right, see you on the next video. Don't forget, subscribe.